Hi friends, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much. Please subscribe and turn on your bell icon for more videos. In today's video, I want to show you guys how I made this delicious snail sauce using my air fryer. As you can see, I've washed the snails with alum, and now I'm going to add in some fresh ginger and garlic, blended ginger and garlic. As you can see, that's it that I'm adding right now. After that, I'm going to sprinkle some salt. I'll be adding some Maggi seasoning as well. Now I'll be adding some curry powder because I want it to be so flavorful. Now I'm mixing in everything with my hand, as you can see. So this is how it looks like. Now I'm just going to let it rest while preheating my air fryer. So that's my air fryer. I'm going to be preheating it for 5 minutes. After preheating for 5 minutes, I'll be adding in the snails. So that's the snails that I've added. I have to let it fry for 10 minutes. So I got a missing clip. This is it. 10 minutes later, I have to turn it to the other side, as you can see. So I have to turn everything to the other side for it to fry. So let it fry for another 10 minutes. So 10 minutes later, this is how it looks like. In total, the snails have been frying for 20 minutes on both sides. So now I need to transfer it to a plate because the snail is well fried. This is it, as you can see. I'm just going to taste this one. It is so yummy. Wow. I just transferred the snails to the plate. And now it's time to prepare the sauce. These are all the ingredients for the sauce you're seeing here. I'll be introducing all the ingredients. In this plate you have fresh tomatoes, and here you have curry leaf, fresh curry leaf. Here is my carrots. In the other space you have green bell pepper and green beans. In this other place you have the Maggi seasoning, you have salt, you have onion. Here is anise seeds, and here is rosemary. So guys, these are the ingredients, and here is curry powder. So I'll be frying it. This is my pan on the fire. I've added my cooking oil, and now I'm going in with my onion. As you can see, that's the onion. I have to fry the onion for some time before adding in my fresh tomatoes. So that's the fresh tomatoes I'm going in with it. I have to stir fry the tomatoes together with the onion for some time before adding in the other ingredients. After frying the tomatoes for some time, I'm going to add in blended ginger and garlic together with some blended scotch bonnet pepper. So I have to stir fry for some time before adding the remaining ingredients. Now I'm adding my rosemary. Now is anise seeds. I've added rosemary and anise seeds, so I still have to stir fry together. Now I'm adding my curry powder. This is going to be so flavorful. That's my curry powder. I'm going in with the fresh curry leaves. So now I'm going with the remaining vegetables, the carrot, green beans and green bell pepper. Now I have to stir fry all together. After adding in the vegetables and all the seeds, it's time to add my maggi and salt. I just added in my maggi and salt. I have to stir fry all together for some time before adding in the snails. Now it's time for the snails. I just added in the snails. Now I have to mix everything together, the snails and the sauce. Then I have to let it cook for some time, for about 3 minutes before turning off the heat. So guys, our air fried snail sauce is ready. As you can see, this is how you make your simple air fried snail sauce. If you watched the end, thank you so much. Please thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Bye.